You guys, I'm at Hobby Lobby and Christmas is finally 40% off. Fall is also 40% off in case you're interested. But I came looking specifically for Christmas. I'm super excited to see what they have. Like, look at all this cuteness. That little piggy right there, I definitely want to get him. They have tons of stuff. Look at that little Christmas tree. Such cute ornaments this year. I just want them all. But I'm gonna be good and just grab a couple things this time. Oh my gosh, look at that gold bow. That's super cute. So, okay, here's the pricing. So in case you're interested in buying anything, that's how much it's gonna be. So we're just gonna cruise down this aisle of ornaments. Then we're gonna head over and look at some of the other items that they have available. I thought there was more ornaments that I wanted. I definitely want to grab that pig one for Sunny. Oh look, there's some dinos right here. That's definitely for me and my style. And then there's some pet ones over here. Oh look, we have a little Yorkie. That's pretty much it for the ornaments. Oh my gosh, look at Santa is like drinking his hot cocoa. That is so cute. So that's what we have here. Let's go find another section. I forgot to show you guys, right behind me were all of the Christmas trees, and they do have the Grinch, so we're gonna go around the corner here to go check those out. Here are the super cute Grinch trees, and a lot of you like pink. There's the pink one. I love this like super tall one right here. Oh, it's like way too big for my house, but I just love it. I think it's so pretty. Then over here we have all the gorgeous pastels. Oh, I like these. Those are super pretty. I like these candy looking ones too. Those are really nice. They're like little cakes up here. Cupcakes. Oh, look, there's like little pastel gingerbread. Oh, look at these. Those are really cute too. There's no string, so I'm not sure what you're supposed to do with those. Maybe just put them like in a cup for decoration, I would guess. Let's go find another aisle. Look at the end cap right here, and they have Minnie Mouse. How stinking cute is that? And then on the back wall over here they have some fall, and then here's where they have like some larger of that like Candyland themed. Oh, and then they have what are these, like the garlands back here as well. Tons of stuff everywhere. This aisle has like some of the larger ornaments, but here's a couple packs. Oh, look up on top over here they have like mini ornaments. I'm not sure where those are at in the store right now. So these are just like all the box ornaments. So this aisle is all like red and white themed. Oh, look, here's some more of those candy canes. Oh, this one has two different sizes. So there's larger and then the like smaller size down there. This is like so my vibe right here. Like classic Christmas is what I love. There's no light over here, unfortunately, so it's very dark. Oh, I don't remember seeing this one last year. Then if you're looking for like gingerbread ornaments, those are down over here as well. This is really cute. That gingerbread house. super cute. Oh, look, I don't think we had this one last year either. I think that's new. Is that one new? Maybe. Lots of cute stuff over here. And these run like $7 and then whatever the 40% off is. Oh, look, they have the little book over here of more stuff and what everything should look like. Kind of hard to see in that picture. But just to give you an idea of what everything in the store will look like eventually. Look at these larger gingies right here. That Merry Christmas one is really cute. Oh, look, they actually have like round ornaments that are like gingerbread themed. Really cute. And then the same aisle behind me. This is what was behind me in that same aisle. So just a bunch of trees. These are cute. They got like little pine cones in the jar, and they have like little like green little decorations there. Those are really cute. This aisle is really dark over here, so we'll see what we can find over here. These little inner ornaments are so cute. Look, they have like fuzzy little cow in like black and white. And that one's right there is brown and white. Oh, look, they have like Jack Frost hat. That's cute. What are these? These are blue. Oh, I thought they were blue. No, they're black deer. I guess it's just a reflection of the light. They looked blue, but they're black. Ooh, look at these bows. They're like velvet. That's cute. They also have them in red. And then the big old ornaments are like velvety as well. That's really pretty. Then there's some more ornaments. Oh, there's a pig over here. Oh, he's only $5. Oh, he's cute. Some like mushrooms, more like rustic vibes over here. Then they have like more garlands. In that same aisle behind me, it's a bunch of trees. Oh, I like that gold tree. I'm like, yay, this aisle has some light. So this is like the gold section right here. And then right behind me in that same aisle is like all the pinks. Oh, I wish they would have had this bow in like a red, a white, a black. That's really cute, but I don't like pink. And here's some more like garland stuff. Oh, here's like the gold section over here. So just like gold ornaments, gold trees, gold gift boxes. And then right behind me in that same aisle is the silver. Ooh, look at these bows. Those are cute. Those are $9 before the discount. Oh, they have those like gems. So this one is $11 before the discount. So like all the previous stuff in the gold and silver and pink section, they have it in different colors. So here's red. They also have it all in blues. Then it's all the same items again here in white. So I like that you can find basically everything in all the colors, so you can mix and match to whatever your theme is. And then over here is like red, gold, green. I love these ornaments that say Merry Christmas in them already. Those are really cute. Oh, these little snowman ornaments are really cute as well. The My Little Christmas is my favorite section. Oh, I definitely want to get some of these like pastel over here. Like, look at these pastel little gingerbread houses. And they have like pastel gingerbreads and candies. This area is just so tiny and so cute. How cute are these little like rustic snowmen? Those are adorable. Those are $5.50 before the discount. And these like little Santa ornaments are really cute. I used a lot of these last year with some of my crafting. So those are really cute. Oh, these are cute. Little mini ornaments. They have like little mini snowflakes and stars as well. So my store definitely has not finished putting stuff out. There is boxes all down this middle aisle right now. So let's see what else we can find. So we're like in the little displays in the center of the aisles. They have these, I think they're new, they're scratch and sniff. How funny and cute is that? And then over here, I was looking at these like little gingerbread houses. And they have like build your little character kits. Lots of cute stuff if you like the like little foam. They have even like snowflakes and build a snowman. These are really cute. I got these last year, and it shows like candy canes in there, but you can put like anything in there. If you want to put like little treats for the kids, or put some like little swap stuff in there. They make really cute little pockets. All of these little items right here are so cute. Like look at these little hats. You get 6 of them for $2. Ooh, I don't remember these little bows. That looks new. Like little buttons. These are really cute, like mini candy canes, mini little light bulbs. Ooh, look at these velvet bows. I think that's new. I don't remember those. Oh, I don't remember these either. Little icicles. Oh, I think these are new too. Look like little nail art. These crocheted Santas I don't remember either from last year. So they're definitely getting some new items in. We have some like little mini trees, some mini little pine cones. But look at this huge. Like this Santa is huge. It's a little iron-on pad. So then we have Merry Christmas. We have Merry Christmas here. Little bow. Character patches. All kinds of really cute stuff. Oh my gosh, I definitely do not remember these last year. Those are so cute. These are adorable. Those are $3. There's like a little bag of charms. Those are $11. Oh, look at the little like gingy charms over here. These little gnomes I don't remember either from last year. They have some beads. Oh, these are really cute. Lots of really cute stuff this year. Ooh, I just saw paper over there. We're gonna have to go over there in a sec. Okay, just had to show these adorable little presents right here. I feel like I can make these, so I wanted to get a good picture for myself so I can remember to come back and try to make those. Those are really cute. Those are $5.50 if you want to buy them already done, but I feel like this is something we can definitely make at home. Oh my gosh, stickers, you guys. Look at these gingerbread stickers. Then we have some bows. I feel like these are new too. Oh, I definitely don't remember seeing those last year. I think all of these are new. I don't remember these either. Lots of really cute new stuff. Oh, look, so these are $1.99 and then 40% off. But then look at these little puffy stickers. These are only $1.50 before the 40. I'm gonna grab a couple of those too. Oh, look. Definitely don't remember those. I think these are new too. Super cute. So much cute stuff. I'm gonna go broke today. There's some more stickers over here. I feel like we had these last year. Oh wait, these I don't remember. I think those are new. But there's some like pink over here as well. Then here is like some of the paper crafting. Oh look, they have like a pink themed washi tape. Oh, I think those are new. I don't remember those from last year. Oh, these little angels. Those are gorgeous. I don't remember those. Oh, look, here is the like traditional color washi tape. They have like pink bows. And then for the mini cards, they're pink. And then for like traditional size cards, there's like Winter Wonderland down here. That is like pink, but with like traditional colors. Then there's this groovy one. Sorry it's so noisy in here. Then what is this? Miss Merry Christmas. Yeah, it's very noisy in here. There's a lot of people, and then they're still like trying to like stock everything. This is Star of Bethlehem. And what's this one? Country Christmas. So I think that's it, and then they have some like stamps over here. More stickers over here, but look, I don't remember these, and these are good for like all year. They're just little bows. Those are $1.99 before the discount. I think I showed you guys those already. I feel like some of these are from last year. I don't think there's anything really new over here. This one I feel like is definitely new. I don't remember seeing this one before, but this one goes to wrap your cup. But you can always cut those up and use them as individual little stickers if you wanted to. Okay, guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. Thanks for shopping along with me. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.